Alright, we're back. We're back. Sorry about that, guys. I had to just fix the stream real quick, but we are solid now. Sorry about that, guys. I had to just fix the stream real quick, but we are solid. Alright, guys. Welcome. We have a couple minutes here until we have President Trump speaking. Now, what that means is we are going to have a massive impact on what happens with the markets here. We're going to see either a massive drop-off or something come back. We're going to have either a massive dump off or we're going to have a comeback. What you're seeing on the screen right now, guys, is my trade from yesterday. We have been in this since last night. We got in this, again, last night. So we are reaping the benefits of last night's trade. We saw that there was a pretty big fair value gap here, and we decided to take sells. And it certainly paid off. So we're in good shape right now on this trade. If you don't already, I would have your stop losses move to break even on this. Yeah, finally a massive bearish candle that we caught, which is nice. We're now 30 pips in profit. 30 pips in profit, guys. That's pretty good. 30 pips in profit is definitely solid. Not upset about it at all. Sorry, I'm just finishing posting to socials, guys. I typically don't trade the New York session, so I'm a little off this morning, but that's okay. Anyway, hope everybody's having a good day so far. I know we don't have quite as many people as normal. I normally stream in the Asian session, so I'm interested to see how this stream goes in terms of what kind of people, how many people we get. I think it'll be a little bit less than normal, to be quite honest with you, but we'll see. Sometimes our New York sessions are pretty good. Sometimes they're not so much, but again, I don't typically stream the New York session, so that could be why. Yep, good. Move your stop loss to break even. That's a good call. We're closing 50 to 75% of positions. I'm not, but I'm recommending that. Yeah, all right, guys. 31 pips in profit. I'm gonna move. I am gonna move my stop losses to break even. So I am currently have break even exit set. Actually, I'm gonna have it probably at, so I still make profit, at 1.38150. That looks like a better option in my opinion. Probably right about the yellow line. Yeah, 1.38146. That's going to be probably the best option. 1.38149. Change. Yeah, I'm gonna wait another 15 minutes. I'm gonna wait another 15 minutes. Gotta fix my P&L here. There we go, that should look better. Yeah, it doesn't really help right there. That's what I was looking to do. Technical difficulties here. Boom, there we go. Alright, I fixed it. Alright, we fixed that. Sorry for that, guys. But anyway, we are short on USD CAD, guys. And we've been in this since last night. We took a really, really nice dive down here. Going into President Trump speaking, we're going to see some interesting things. I don't personally know what we're going to see. I have a trailing stop right here. My stops are right here, so I'm going to put... I'm going to write that out here. Yeah, I'm using a trailing. That's where I have it. So I'll make it red too, just so everybody knows that it's a stop loss. But yeah, right there. We're already in profit. We're not risking losing money. So we're in good shape. we're in very good shape right now on this trade. Up 44% actually. Pretty good. 30 pips. It's just a little bit of a waiting game here till 8:30 when President Trump speaks. I think it's going to be very interesting to see what happens here. We did just get a new hour candle, guys, with a massive fair value gap created. This could be our biggest trade of the week. It already is so far. It's still driving down. We might go to TP2 here. Actually, it was TP1. Break of the lows was just break of the lows. But I think we might hit TP2. It looks like all the USD pairs are dropping too, which is a good sign. We love to see that. Joe Maddo official. This is USD CAD. USD CAD is what chart this is. USD CAD's dropping like a fly. Good question though. Appreciate you joining, man. I have my take profit right here, so at the 137851. Actually, it's 137905 is what I have it at. However, I think that we could see some serious lows depending on what President Trump says here in the next couple minutes. He's going to be speaking at 8:30, it looks like. There'll be a White House release, so it's a red folder. So since it's a red folder, that means it's going to have an effect on the market. We're going to see something happen here. Who else is in this trade? I know we don't have many people in here. It's a lot different than the Asian stream. We get a lot more traction on the Asian stream, it seems like. A lot more traction with the Asian stream, but that's because I like the Asian session better, truthfully. Dell, are you still in here? Yes, sir, Ryan. Let's get it. Look at that live P&L, Ryan. Ain't bad. We got in this trade last night. Waited about, let's see, we waited 9 hours for it to drop, but we had a solid fair value gap on the 4-hour chart. It might drop down big. That's why I put our stop losses where they are, but I think when Trump speaks here, I think this is going to be pretty good for us. I think the US dollar is going to drop heavily. I'm not 100% sure, but everyone's expecting a dump off this morning. Yeah, so everybody's saying the current market background is the US dollar is under pressure. It's been trading near recent lows ahead of his speech, extending an all sell-off driven by geopolitical and trade uncertainty. I would imagine that gold is going to skyrocket if it's not already. Yeah, gold is still flying. So if you're trading gold, congratulations. You're probably going to be doing pretty well. But all the USD pairs are just taking absolute drop-offs. Yep, exactly. That's why we got our trigger finger ready here, and I have my stop loss set. But yeah, it's gonna and my take profit set. So we're gonna see what happens here. But if Trump's speech escalates concerns, there's going to be a downside for USD. It typically leads to the dollar weakening against the JPY and Euro. And I know we're in a CAD trade, but if it's more calm and friendly, it could be neutral or bullish for the dollar. It really just depends on what he says. And we're going to see that happen here. We've got 82,000 in volume. I know some other pairs have more volume in them, but this is the trade that we're in right now, so we're going to stick with it. 29.9 pips in profit, which is pretty good. Can't complain about that. Oh, I didn't turn my tube light on. Gotta get the tube light on. There we go. It's just a matter of time, though. We got about 15 minutes until we see what happens here. But the sell-off's been huge. I can't imagine anything having to do with war and taking over another country is going to be good. But expect high volatility, and the key driving forces here are going to be the trade and tariff uncertainty with Greenland and the EU, the risk-off sentiment pushing money into safe havens, which is gold, and market already pricing in caution ahead of the speech. That's really your bearish indicators for what's going to happen here today. And it's still uncertain. Yeah, I agree. Again, taking over another country or trying to is going to be a big deal. It's a big deal. And in an economic uncertainty, people tend to go to... people tend to really go to gold and precious metals. Yeah, it's probably. You're probably right there. I just, like I said, I don't trade gold. I don't like trading gold at all. We'll see what happens here, though. I think we might see like 157 area on USD JPY. I think we might see 157.360. We might see 157. You know, it's hard to tell. But on this USD CAD trade, we're getting a little bit of retracement back up, which is fine. It's expected. I don't know how long he's going to speak for either. But once he starts talking, we might just immediately see a sell-off. So it's interesting to kind of see what's going to happen. Ryan and Adele, make sure you guys react in the free signals with all the little emojis and stuff. Hey Adele, can you move Ryan to the VIP signals? Do you have the ability to do that? I don't know if he's in it or not. I can actually add him, I think. Thank you. Ryan, you have access to VIP now. Who else is streaming? Nobody. Yeah, there is a couple people live streaming trading. Not many though right now. Not as many as you would think. But we got about 9 minutes until we get this candle. We're getting a ton of movement right now on all the pairs. All the volumes flooding in right now. What stream is still on? What are you talking about, Adele?
Building, there he is.
No, I just closed it and opened a new one. That's why. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, we're almost there. I think we're gonna watch it probably on the 15 or the 30 minute. See what the 30-minute candle does. Still $900 in profit. We got 6 minutes and 15 seconds. And we could always re-enter positions too. So that's something that we're going to keep an eye out for, is that we may re-enter positions. No reason to not, you know what I mean? As long as we get the sentiment we're looking for here, that's going to be the move. If you guys want to see what my indicator looks like, it's actually pretty cool. So on the 15 minute, get rid of the FEG and get rid of the oh my gosh, did he really? Yeah, so look at this. So my it's called Match Strategy 2026. It tells you the session, the price versus ribbon flip, what we're waiting for, the 15-minute fair value gaps, the nearest resistance, nearest support, and then it's also going to tell you what your take profits are and if your breakout candle's bullish or bearish. This is the USD JPY. Dynax Fourth, welcome back, man. Good to see you. But yeah, look at this. This is my new indicator that I had coded for me. It's pretty cool. It tells you when to buy and when to sell. But we got a sell signal here. Most importantly, on the 4 hour though, we got a huge sell signal right here. So we're going to keep it on the 15-minute because that's where it's the cleanest. But it shows your support and your resistance lines that are dotted out, which is pretty cool. It shows when to buy, when to sell, your support, your resistance zones. It shows everything. This is just the beta of it, so I don't have it. It's a locked indicator right now. In order to get access to it, it is a paid one. I put a lot of time into this, so it is going to be a paid indicator, but it is a solid one. It follows all of my rules. Every single one of my rules was coded into it. So it's a custom trading indicator just for me. That uses my rules. We got 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Sorry, 2 minutes and 30 seconds until we're gonna get this new candle here with Trump speaking. So we're gonna probably see some big movement, guys. Just be prepared. This is the 15-minute that we're looking at right now. 15-minute. It could, but we're already in profit. We have our stop losses moved to right here in profit, so we're gonna make at least 500 bucks regardless. Yep. But we're going to see, guys. This is pretty exciting. I don't normally trade news, but since we're already in profit, we really have nothing to lose because our stop losses are at a spot where we cannot lose. Yeah, we literally cannot lose. So that's always a good feeling. It could wick up. That's my only fear, is that it wicks up, takes us out, and then comes down. But we still have profit. We still have $500 in profit. But yeah, this is my new trading indicator, guys. Almost back to $1,000 in profit, and we are coming into Trump speaking now. Make the lightsaber red. All right. There you go. It's red. Oh, I don't have my lights on. We'll see. I'm looking at all the USD pairs. The Euro pair should fly. If gold keeps going, we'll see. USD JPY, we're going to see if that drops. Yeah, Euro USD will fly for sure. Yeah, where do I even have Euro USD? There it is. Euro USD should fly. We got buy signals on it. We got a buy signal right here. But we're gonna focus on our USD CAD trade here. Very small green candles is a good sign. I'm gonna be the new Matt. I don't want to be like anyone. I'm doing something better than all of them, in my opinion. We're building something bigger. Bigger and better. Not much action right quite yet. Appreciate you, man. You're watching the news live. You just have to go on the internet and find it. He hasn't gotten to the podium yet? Okay. And we're in between New York and London right now. Looking like we're in pretty good shape, though. Looking like we're in pretty good shape. Good evening. What's up, man? Pobreg. Sikat. Good to see you again. I probably butchered your name. I apologize. He's nowhere near the stage yet. Figures. A government agency starting late. Never would have guessed. Alright, good. I think we're going to keep going down. I don't know what you're saying, man. To be honest with you. I'm trying to understand. I don't know what that means. I don't know what either of you guys saying. What's going on? Daruk. Hey man, good to see you again. Happy to have you back in. Happy to have you back in. Thanks for joining. A little over $1,000 in profit right now. Oh, really? That's pretty cool. I gotta switch this light. There we go, that one looks nice. Yeah, that one looks good. Wait, it doesn't make my face keep going dark. We are currently 28 pips in profit, guys. Oh, this one's dark too. That one's pretty light. Hopefully you guys are in this trade. We posted this last night. Is that where it is right now? They're in Switzerland? Probably a smart place to do it. Yeah, World Economic Forum. The only way gold drops is if the dollar rises. I don't think gold's gonna drop. Everybody's on gold so hard right now. What are you watching it on? Hey, Dinah, that's alright, man. That's why we're here. So everyone can learn. Alright, we're gonna see what happens here. These pairs are just flying right now with volume. They're all moving so fast. All of the pairs are just gaining so much volume. GBP CHF is a solid buy. One-year anniversary of his second term, yeah. That's true, I didn't even think about that. Still not seeing any crazy movement yet. Gold's going. Gold's moving up. Not yet. Hasn't said anything crazy yet. Yeah, gold's pumping. Dollar should be dropping soon. Nah, we don't trade gold, Adele. It uses too much of your account. You have to use 0.001 of a lot. Otherwise, you blow your whole account with 2 pip move. Got to keep that discipline. Good. As he should be. I think everybody's waiting to see what he has to say. Yeah, he pretty much always does. I mean, the guy shut down our country for a year. It was pretty bad. COVID was terrible. So yeah, I'd shit on him too. So I don't know if you guys can see on my chart here. You see the green lines, the dotted green lines? Those are take profits. The blue one is the entry. And it shows take profits and stop loss. It's pretty cool, man. This algorithm's pretty cool. You know, I'm surprised with there being news right now that there's not more people. I wonder if market open will bring more people like 9:30ish. When will it open? It's in beta right now, so it'll probably open in the next 2 days. But like I said, it's not going to be free. It cost me money to make it, a lot. So it's not going to be a free indicator. There'll be like a monthly subscription for it. Probably like $100 a month. Or a one-time fee. I haven't priced it out yet. But this is 15 years of trading experience all coded into one algorithm. Yeah, gold is pumping. It correlates most of the time. We had a good bearish close on that 15-minute candle too. Yeah, this thing's gonna drop. Tell you what, my back hurts from sitting in this chair all day, every day. We're getting bearish movement. We're right at the entrance for what the indicator said to sell, so yeah, he's staying pretty neutral. Well, even regardless of the news, based off the technical analysis, it's still looking like a sell. Still looking like a pretty good sell. Yeah, everything about this chart is bearish. Alright, we broke the blue line, which is the ATR 14, so we broke the blue line. That's important. Yeah, we're moving. We are certainly moving. You're back, Sugar Catch. What's up, man? We're on USD CAD shorts. We're shorting USD CAD. USD CAD shorts is what we're on, brother. You just closed what? What'd you just close? Oh, on USD CAD? Yeah, we've been in this one since last night, man. We're 32 pips in profit right now. Yeah, 32 pips. It's trying to go. We're gonna get a new hour candle here. Yeah, as long as that closes As long as that closes red, we're in good shape. So we got the sell signal right here. Sell signal is right here, guys, on my new indicator. Nice. Hey, up 500 is good. But my indicator that I coded that follows all my rules, well, I didn't code it. Someone coded it for me. We just got a sell signal. When should you get out of what? You're trading gold? Or are you trading this? I'm holding it. I'm holding it. I think we're going to see this area down here. I think we're going to go for another minimally 30 pips. 30 to 45 pips, I think. I think we're going to go for another 30 to 45 pips. Good. We got 7 minutes left in the candle, so we're going to see what happens here. Or 33.9 pips in profit. Oil? Yeah. This is the hour chart I'm actually looking at right now because we're about to get a new hour in the next 4 minutes. Sounds good, sounds good. Yeah, the hour wicked down pretty heavily. Up $50 in gold. Nice. Good job. Did he? Where at? Where at, Adele? Which one? Nice. I'm glad everybody's making money. That's the point of this. there we go. Yeah, I have YouTube videos about my strategy. Just go on my website. Go on my, on my YouTube channel. They're all right there. I have a 3-part learning series, and then I have my 15-minute strategy I made an entire video on. Go watch the whole thing. We got 2 more minutes till we get a new candle, too. That's funny. I gotta pee real quick. I'll be right back, guys. Gotta turn speed on. It's cold in here. Gotta turn the heat on. It's cold in here. Yeah, because they're buying them from there. That's where they're buying them from. If you're just joining, guys, welcome. Appreciate you joining the stream. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. He's talking about Greenland now. Well, we just got a new hour candle, and the previous hour candle was very, 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 very bearish. Yeah, he always says that. Audio stream bit rate is lower than the recommended. Can you guys hear me okay? I think we're gonna drive down. Oh, we just got a new hour candle too. I just realized that our 4-hour closed extremely bearish. Let me get rid of this real quick. Yeah, our 4-hour closed very, very bearish. The 4-hour close was bearish as heck. Henry John, what's up, man? How are you? Good to see you back. No, you haven't missed much. You were here last night. This is USD CAD. This is the trade that we took last night, Henry. We're still in profit. Quite a bit. We're in profit 35.1 pips right now. What did USDJPY do? Nothing. Yeah, get the notification so you know when we go live. No, we're pushing down heavy, guys. TP1's going to be 43 pips. Oh, we are close to TP1 for 43 pips, guys. Yeah, I don't know. This speech might not have as big of an effect as we thought. We'll see, though. Good. That's the only thing that's really going to drive. Hey, Dynax4th, make sure you have notifications on YouTube on for my channel. YouTube notifications. That one's important. Henry, man, good to see you. Happy to have you back. Yeah, good call. I don't know about you guys, about the weather near you, but I am freezing. It is cold here. Oh, it's actually 62 degrees out. Wow. I'm freezing in here. I just turned the heat on. No, not today. Not near me. It's 62 degrees right now, Fahrenheit, which to me is still a little cold. I like 70 and above. Yeah, we did. We could see another big candle here. Yeah, nighttime over where you're at. Yeah, 1.3K. Not a bad day so far. Yeah. Just keep it light. I'm thinking it will too. We're gonna find out though. We're gonna find out here very shortly. It might take an hour or so actually, but we'll see. We're missing Miguel. I think he's at work. Yeah, there's the move. Looking for TP1 right here. Switch accounts, W develop. Alright, yeah, that's fine. What's up, man? I didn't start from zero. I mean, yeah, at one point I had $0 in my account.
Roger, 0J, and I feel fine. Discovery Houston, press to ATO.
Liftoff of mission 41D, the first flight of the Ever Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower.
Oh yeah, we were negative. I was negative like $300.
Discovery, go and throttle up.
Yeah, go ahead, W. Develop. What's up?
Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
What you got? Right now I already have somebody working on my website, man. I appreciate it though. I have somebody completely revamping my website because it's got to be fixed. But I appreciate the offer. If I ever need anything, I'll let you know. But I do have Adele is working on my website. He also has his own digital marketing agency. He knows how to code as well. So Adele's working on that right now. Yeah, he does. He's really good at what he does, man. He's really good at what he does. Yeah, if you guys ever need anything in the digital marketing space, he's the person to go to. He's the first employee of Trading with Matt. He knows what he's doing, man. Yeah, I appreciate you, man. NC? What is NC? NZD CAD? I don't even think I have that on here. Now I do. Oh, I thought you meant NC as in NZD CAD. Yeah, man, I mean, if you have something that works. If we've got a spot for you in a role that you can play that would help us out as a team, then yeah. getting a little bit of retracement right near TP1 on the 15-minute, which is fine though. Where's our, I think it's probably because of this fair value gap right here. This fair value gap right here is giving us a little trouble, but I'm not worried because we created such a big fair value gap here. Euro JPY played out how we thought it was going to yesterday too. USD JPY is still consolidating. A lot of these charts don't really look that great. Oh, except for GBP CHF looks really nice. Shaim Saeed, what's up, man? Sham Saeed, good to see you again. Good to see you again, man. Hope you're doing well. Good morning. Yeah, it's morning here for me.
Several computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
I think we're going to see this thing bounce off the fair value gap and keep driving down, but we're already 28.7 pips in profit. We're in some really good profit right now. Yeah, I don't think this Trump speech had as much of an impact as we thought it was going to. Yeah, he's kind of all over the place sometimes. Yeah, which means we're going to war. If he's announcing new fighter jets, that means there's heavy chance we go to war. What's gold doing? And look at the retracement on gold. Anybody have good suggestions for cable management? For like your PC? Like, because I have 2 huge monitors, pretty big tower, webcams and stuff. Anybody have good suggestions on cable management systems that I can go buy? Or make, I guess. Hey Adele, we got to on the website, man. We got to get something up for the indicator. I have over 50 DMs about the indicator. We got to start selling it. I mean, it's going crazy right now. Yeah, I got a lot of people asking. Alright, let's go back to our USD CAD trade. We might come up and retest this fair value gap right here, but I think we're going to continue to drive down. To organize the wire? What does that mean? What do you mean by that, develop? Yeah, I understand that, organizing the wire, but with what? Zip ties, those things that go on the wall, because it's tough to get a good system going. Alright, I might have to go to Best Buy today and see if they have those. Might have to do that after the stream. Alright, so here's what we're going to do, guys. I'm going to close 100% of my positions. Actually, hold on. No. Hold on. Nah, Henry, I'm still good, man. I'm still 800 bucks in profit. I'm not worried. We're reaching this high right here. I think it might wick down. I'm going to close 50% though. So partial close, 50%. Yep, I just closed 50%. So now I'm only 423 in profit, but I closed 50%. Just banked 400. So far between Euro JPY yesterday and USD CAD, up about $860. Because this is just retracement on the 4 hour. This is going to bounce off this fair value gap and continue driving down. Yes, move your stop losses to break even. If you're in profit, move your stop losses to break even. Because especially if you got in where we got in. Yeah, I think this is going to bounce off and wick down. I think we're going to see at least 8 full hours of downtrend, so... What's good, Miguel? Welcome, brother. Good to have you in. Always good to have you in, man. You still in on our USD CAD trade? Yeah, I already took 50% profit for about 480 bucks. I'm leaving the other 50% to go to TP1, TP2 area. You make any money? Nice. Hopefully you did well on it. Nice. Nice, 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 man. It's good stuff. Yeah, I mean it's not every single day. You definitely take losses, but it has the potential upside. On Euro NZD, let me take a look here. I don't even think I have that one. You're looking for Asian high. So you're looking for 130 pip swing, yeah, up this way. Is that what you're looking at? Pretty strong support. 50 pips from where it's at. About right there. Nice. got in at about right here. Oh, I see. All right. Yeah, I see. Yeah, holding a little bit of drawdown. That's all right. Happens to everyone. Yeah, we're gonna wick back down here. We just got U.S. market open too. It's, what is it, 9:30? Yeah, U.S. market's just opened 4 minutes ago. So we're gonna see what happens here. Yeah, now the volume's really starting to come in now. Volume's coming in heavy now that the market just opened. Trailing at 20418. Nice. Nice, nice. I'm just waiting to see what US CAD's gonna do. Are we gonna keep driving down or what? Yeah, me too. News didn't really do much. Is he done speaking or is he still speaking? GBP USD. What do you mean your partial close isn't working? What do you mean it's not working though? Yeah, I'll look at GBP USD. No, why would you short GBP USD? No. GBP USD is a buy on the 15 minute. It's going to go up to here. GBP is going to be a buy for almost 40 pips.
Granger knows that if you're a maintenance supervisor at a manufacturing facility,
Pretty much everywhere. You don't have the little tool icon? My AirPod died. How's my microphone muted? Oh my gosh, is it using? No. That's weird. Mini mic is, yeah, no, that's that. Okay, we're good. I just won't be able to hear the little dings. Kind of. It broke structure. It broke structure, Sham. That's the only reason why I wouldn't touch it. It broke structure. This high is higher. Oh, hey Miguel, did you download Liquid Charts Pro or the regular? Did you download the Pro version or the regular version onto your computer? You need to be on Liquid Charts Desktop Pro, not the regular desktop. Yeah, there's that big move we were looking for. USD CAD's still a valid sell. If yours is like dark blue, you're in the wrong one. You need to be in the white one. Yeah, you're in the wrong one. You got to download Liquid Charts Pro. Liquid Charts Desktop Pro is what it's called. We're going to hit TP1. I think we're going to hit TP1 for 43 pips here in a minute. It looks like we might. It's pushing. It's pushing good. We're seeing some really good movement here. Loving this price action with the fair value gaps there. It's looking really good. We are looking solid. El Musty, there he is. What's up, man? W trade for sure. I think if we hit TP1, I'm going to close another 25% and leave 25% runners for the foreseeable future and move my stop loss down to, right now we already have our stop loss in profit. If we hit TP1, I'm going to move my stop loss to right here. To right there. and leave 25% runners. We held that trade from Asian session all the way into New York session, through London into New York. A little bit more of a swing trade there, but like I said, we were trading on the 4 and the 1 hour yesterday. We weren't trading on the 15. We're about to smash TP1, I think, here, guys. Come on, let's go. A couple more pips. It wants to. I'm about to get a new 15-minute candle, too. The new 15-minute candle needs to break the lows for us to keep going. And the 4-hour candle looks solid. Look at that 4-hour candle. It went about a quarter to 33% of the way back up and wicked right down. This 4-hour candle should end up somewhere in this area, like right in this area right here is our target. That is what we're looking for right now. All right, new 15-minute candle. Let's see it drive, baby. Let's see it drive. We created another fair value gap as well. Yeah, let's go push down, push down. Oh, there's the move. Come on, let's see it go. Just a nice little 43 pip trade is all we're looking for. Nice 43 pips. And again, we already took 50% profits, so we're looking solid. Stop losses are now at the 1.38060. Yep, I just moved my stop loss to 1.38060. is where my stop loss is at, and we're getting there. We are getting there. The movement's coming. We're like a pip away, like a half a pip away. Currently 38.6 pips in profit. We're just looking for that magical 43 number right there. Not to be greedy or anything. Obviously, we could close the trade right now and be very happy, but I'd like to see it hit TP1. It would be sweet. I agree. Banking that mortgage payment, yeah. No joke. This retracement was perfect. This break and retest right here was awesome. What do we need? How many more pips is that? We need 2.7 pips. And again, we're just taking what the market's giving us. Not chasing dollar amounts, chasing pips. There it is, guys. I think we're there. Oh, so close. Where'd it go? Where'd my indicators go? There they are. Alright, so let me delete that. We don't want to see that, and we don't want to see that. Boy, we nearly tapped it. We nearly tapped it. And I think on the hour here, we're going to get some retrace. We might not get retracement. This might keep going. Just so everybody knows, I moved my stop losses to 1.38060. Might get a little retracement in this last hour. Last couple minutes. That's a lot going on. Hold on. There we go. Alright, if we break this fair value gap, we'll probably end up just getting out of the trade with some pretty damn good profit. We'll see. I don't want to see it break this fair value gap, but it might, because the 1 hour just flipped to green. Yeah, so right where this 1 hour bearish FVG is, that's our stop loss. That's our guaranteed profit. So we don't have to worry about not making money. We made money no matter what today, guys. And we've already closed 50% of our positions. We're in good shape. We're in really good shape right now. See, we got 3 minutes until this new hour. Euro JPY moved 40 pips. GBP, let's see, Euro JPY. Oh yeah, Euro JPY had a huge bounce. And we got the sell signal. So, hold on, I'm gonna put on the 15 minute. Look at this, guys. So the algorithm I had coded, look where it gave us this buy signal. Right here. It gave us the buy signal there for at 1.27 pips. It gave the buy signal. GBP CHF. Oh yeah. Wow. GBP CHF from yesterday. We were down here looking at this, weren't we? GBP CHF went for 50 pips from last night, guys. Yeah, we called that. I took Euro JPY last night, the sells as well. From here. I took Euro JPY from here to here. Yeah, man. That was good. It was good. Look, sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. And like, this is why every time we have these conversations about making money or losing money or wins and losses, it's like we stick to the same system no matter what. No matter what, we're sticking to the same system. Yeah, exactly, man. I mean, if I can do it, you guys can do it. I think you're gonna end up. We can end up selling Euro JPY again. Euro JPY could be a good sell again once it reaches the top. It looks like it's going to reverse head and shoulders on us. So if you take a look right here, you got left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We should see it come down to right here. Look at that chart. That's a good looking chart right there. Might sell it off again. I don't think it's breaking those highs. We'll see though. We'll see if we get a signal from this indicator. USD CAD rejected nicely. If we go to the hour, yeah, it rejected. It's coming back down. Coming back down very nicely. What a move. Good move here, guys. We're seeing really good movement off that new hour candle. We saw some great break and retest on this fair value gap. I think we should see this drop even more. Just have it keep driving, retrace that wick right there, and we'll be in good shape. What's up, man? Dynax fourth, what's going on?
We're completely unconventional, and my Wix
Oh,
website really
shit,
has to capture the
commercial.
same magic.
Sorry about the commercial there, guys. What's up, what's up? Ton of volume here, guys. Ton of volume. New York session always has a lot of volume. We'll say that. It's got more volume than the Asian session does, that's for sure. But it's a lot more risky. In my opinion. Boy, we're moving in the good direction. We just need what, 5 more pips to hit this. Yeah. Well, you want a clip for me? Oh man, you need a new terabyte? That's shitty. Yeah, Dynax, what do you want to do? You want a clip? Yeah. Clip for me. Heck yeah. You think you can make stuff go viral? I need testimonials too for the website, guys. So if you want to make a short video of yourself and submit it to my email, that would also help a lot because it's going to go on the website for when I come out with the paid course. I wasn't going to do a course, but I've gotten so many people asking for a course that I'm going to end up doing a course. Still going to stream for free, still going to have the free Telegram, but I've gotten so many inquiries about, or am I going to make a course? So I need a bunch of testimonials from you guys who have made money and who like the stream, who like what we're doing here. Nice. Yeah, appreciate that, guys. Here's the move. Come on, let's push. Let's push. We're right there, guys. We're right there. Oh, Discord, not Telegram, sorry. I've been saying Telegram for years. I gotta switch it up. It's Discord. Dynex fourth, what are you gonna do? Create a new TikTok profile and start posting clips? Or are you gonna use your own? Nice. Yeah, let me know what you probably don't need anything from me. You could just get all the videos off YouTube, right? Let me know when it goes. Send me the Heck yeah. Yeah, let me know when you make it. Let me know what it is and I'll follow it. That's funny. Me and Adele just talked the other day about getting clippers, so. And if it goes well, I'll pay for clipping. I have no problem paying for clipping. If it goes well, but I need to see results before I start paying, you know what I mean? I'll certainly start paying for clippers.
Welcome home, Columbia. Beautiful, beautiful.
Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions. Liftoff of mission 41D, the first flight of the orbiter Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower.
We're going to see what this 15-minute candle brings. And if we're still consolidating right here, we'll probably just close the trade and call it, because this is a really good trade. There's really nothing else to say other than the fact that it worked out exactly how we planned it. Exactly how we planned it. Yeah, DM me in Discord and I'll send it to you. Just direct message me right now and I'll send it to you. Oops, sorry guys. Let's see. Let's go to. All right, let's see here. We got a new 15-minute candle. Let's see if we're going to drive down, guys. If we keep driving down, hopefully we'll hit TP1. Let's see here. See it push. See it push. Created an FVG on the 5 also. I think I'm going to get out, guys. I think I'm going to get out in full. I think we're going to close in full for 34 pips. Yeah, I'm going to close in full. Boom, I'm out. We're closed in full, guys. We are closed in full. There we go. Closed in full. Nice, guys. That was pretty good. On to the next profitable trade. Yeah, I'm not trading any more this session, though. I'm done with this session. I don't get greedy with sessions. I like what we did here. We can certainly look at others. Like I said, Euro JPY is going to sell. Euro JPY is going to sell down to here. You certainly could get in it. USD JPY is going for some reason. Euro GBP is dropping. But yeah, I'm not 100% sure if we're going to do Asian session tonight. I have a dinner meeting I'm supposed to go to. I haven't decided if I'm going to go or not, but I will keep you guys updated. But tomorrow there's no stream for sure. Tomorrow's no stream. I haven't decided on tonight yet. I have a dinner meeting that's supposed to go from 6 to 10. So we'll see if I end up going to it or not in Orlando for the PGA show. So we'll see. But we had a really good trade, really good session, guys. Really happy with the results there. Made up for the past couple losses that we had. But we're in good shape, guys. I appreciate everyone coming to the stream. As always, all of our regulars, thank you guys. I appreciate you guys showing up day in and day out. It means a lot to me. So, We're all good. Thank you, guys. That's it for today. Don't be greedy. Keep your profits, and we'll move on to the next session. Thanks, guys.